Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is, wherever you are tuning in. Thank you so much for joining me for this very, very special announcement. I am very, very pleased to announce that I will be hosting and facilitating an online meditation retreat entitled Such Sweet Thunder, Healing the Wounds Between Self and Other. This is offered in conjunction with the Contemplative Light website. So for more information about the retreat, you can visit contemplativelight.com or my website, suchsweetthunder.org. The retreat kicks off on October 17th and runs through to November 14th, 2020. We'll be meeting twice a week, Saturday evenings and Wednesday evenings at 7 p.m. Pacific Coast time. So I'm just going to run through the presentation here that you can currently see on your screen. So this will be a very unique online meditation offering. It's geared towards beginners and advanced alike. I see many beginners in my one-on-one practice. And although I have been practicing and meditating for over 35 years and have 10 years of teaching experience, I really thoroughly enjoy working with beginners. I like to cultivate those ground steps, if you will. It's thrilling for me, actually. However, if you do have a healthy meditation practice, if you are currently working with another teacher or meditating on your own, happy to be of service as well. The practice that we will be cultivating during this retreat will only work to serve a currently existing practice, so there won't be any conflict there. Now, the platform we'll be using for this retreat is Zoom. If you're not familiar with Zoom, it's a really wonderful platform where you'll be able to meet the other participants of the meditation retreat while you're meeting with me. And this is a great way to cultivate a sense of community. In Buddhist circles, that's known as a sangha, where we can get together and talk about our experiences together, compare notes, and so forth. And the Wednesday evening session will be mainly designated for that type of meeting. It'll be a Q&A session, a conversation, a discussion, and so forth like that. So in those sessions, you will be able to access my 35 years of meditation experience in great depth and detail. So happy to offer that as well. Now, we will be using a PDF copy of my book, Such Sweet Thunder, for a study guide and basically as a curriculum for the retreat. Now, the subtitle for the book is Healing the Wounds Between Self and Other. And so as we go through the book and as the retreat unfolds, week by week, we focus on different wounds, if you will. So the first week, we focus on the split between psyche and soma, between body and mind. And we do a body scanning practice, and we go very deeply into feeling our breath, feeling our body, uniting psyche and soma. That's the first wound, if you will. Week 2, we add the experience of sound to that. So we open our awareness to external, healing the wound between mind, body, and our environment. Week 3, we add more experience from the external world. We open our eyes, we take in the visual field, healing that wound again between internal and external, because many of the contemplative traditions consider that divide between inside and outside to be an illusion. So with this practice, we systematically break down and dissolve that illusion and unite self and other. Week 4, very exciting, we move on to our emotional states, learning to embrace and acknowledge and live with our emotional states in a very full and profound way. Beautiful practice there. Week 5, we round out the retreat with a week on loving kindness, extending loving kindness first to ourselves and then loving kindness to all beings. Now, this is priced very reasonably, if I do say so myself. For the whole 5-week program, which is 10 sessions, it's $99 US. If you're currently studying with me one-on-one through the online studies program, it's $79 US. Now, I do offer the opportunity to give a support price, and this has a donation included. So if you have the means and you'd like to support others in their studies, support myself in my own practice, the support price is $149. Now, I'd also like to add that this meditation retreat is completely non-denominational. My background is in Buddhism. I've studied both Theravada Buddhism and Mahayana Buddhism. I've also studied Vedanta Hinduism for about 4 to 5 years. I am very familiar with contemplative Christian practices as well. So I like to offer a completely secular, non-denominational meditation retreat. Very passionate about delivering these teachings to people from all walks of life, people from all over the world. For more information, again, please do visit my website, www.suchsweetthunder.org. I look forward to seeing all of you at this retreat.